Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again, my dear J fans. Hi everyone, today I'm going to this place. When the turtle eggs are on the beach, due to some reasons, about 2% of the turtles go to the sea. Also, turtle eggs are kept at ambient temperature. A baby turtle comes out in 48 or 60 days. Do you know that even though jellyfish are poisonous to human and other animals, but turtles are not poisoned because their hemoglobin constant is 30% higher. There are 8 species of turtles in the world. 5 species of turtles live in the Indian Ocean, but the edge turtle species is currently suffering. A full-grown loggerhead turtle weighs about 800 kilograms. Do you know how to find the gender in turtles? Let me tell you, female has a tiny tail and male has a big tail like the video. These are turtle eggs. You can see that there are 2 sizes. The small size eggs are the eggs that turtle mom laid, and the big eggs are the growing eggs. Can you see a difference in this turtle? This turtle don't have this hand. Do you know the reason for that? Because the turtles are eating the plastic that in the sea. But doctors that who is doing medicine for these turtles are doing surgeries and set new hands and legs. And this is a turtle that faced for that kind of surgery. This is where turtle eggs are preserved. There are many eggs under the sand here. Turtle eggs found on Megalo Beach are eaten by animals and people. So, they are brought to Meta and preserved under the sand.